Today is Wednesday, May 7th, and it is around 8:23 in the morning. And from the agricultural pesticides used near public schools in California report, I want to mention that we had a big storm yesterday, and with the wind, the possibility of having some of these pesticides in the air and in the dust. These are the counties with the highest agricultural pesticides used in 2010. Here at the bottom this is the map of California. You can see Imperial too. This is a summary from this report again of some of the pesticides categories. You have those that are called reproductive and developmental toxicants. Some examples under the developmental toxicants. This study was done to find out if schools were being exposed to some of these pesticides. Some of the toxic air contaminants. These are the pesticides for assessment and monitoring, and these are the top 10 active ingredients classified as priority pesticides for assessment and monitoring. And now, part of my concerns. We had high winds, and they're starting to pick up again. You can see the palm trees already moving. This is the result of the dust storm from yesterday. Usually the only way to get rid of this dust, because if we don't clean it, it gets in the house when we go in, and the only way to deal with it is to just wash all the dust. But again, the wind is already picking up. According to the report, we thought that it was going to start at midday, but it's not 9 and it's already picking up slowly. This is how it looks in the porch. All the dust. This is all the dust from yesterday, that if we are outside, we're exposed to all this dust. This is the seat also. This is the entrance of the house, the porch. You can see the amount of dust. This is just the front porch. All of that is dust that I need to clean. This is the porch on the side of the house. It's all the amount of dust too that I need to wash. And this happens every time that there is a windstorm.